What is up? So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a simple Vietnamese iced coffee, and you're just going to need two simple ingredients. So let's go. So today I'm going to try to make Vietnamese coffee. You're gonna need this coffee filter. Then you're also gonna need this brand of Vietnamese coffee and some condensed milk. So let's put the condensed milk in first, like about 2 spoons of this. We're gonna do a tablespoon of coffee. Check it out right here. Then we put another one, 2 tablespoons. Once you get it in with the coffee grounds, then we're gonna press this on, twist. Dripping right now. Look how thick that is. It's really concentrated, almost like espresso kind of. Oh, so that's it. You add some ice, and that's your Vietnamese iced coffee. Check it out. Give it a try. I'll see you guys next time.